Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Spice Breeze. So if you're familiar with Spice Breeze, I've unboxed it here quite a few times. You know that it is a Spice subscription box. If you're not familiar, to elaborate a little bit more, Spice Breeze does have two different subscription options. So if you're looking for something inexpensive, an inexpensive way to get spices delivered each month, this is a great alternative to some of the other ones that are out there. They do have something called the Duo, which is just 2 spice blends and 2 recipes delivered monthly for $5.90. They do then also have something called the Quad, which is 4 recipes, 2 of which you choose. So when you subscribe, you'll get like a little email that says, here's our recipes. You can go online, select 2 that you'd like, and then the 2 that are included in the Duo are in the Quad as well. So you get to choose 2, they choose 2. They're from, you're guaranteed to have, I think, at least 2 different countries included. So this has a variety of different flavors from all over the world. It's really fun, and I do like that you get to kind of customize. So let's see what's in ours. This is the Quad. I always do create one of these recipes, so I will link to my full review below. I'll also link to Spice Breeze so you can check them out. All right. Let's see. And this is like beautifully packaged. It really is pretty. So on the road in South America in July 2018. So there's the outside. You open it up. And you have right on top, you have your recipes, which you fold. I'm not going to actually do it because I like to keep them flat because I put them in like a binder after I'm done. There's an eagle in there for freedom. I see it. And then the beautiful spices. I just think spices are so pretty. Aren't they beautiful? Let me know down below. Are you crazy like me? Do you like to look at spices? We go to that like spice and tea exchange or something. I don't even know what it's called. And they like, when they put spices, so they'll use this big like silver bowl. They don't put them all on top of each other. They'll put them over here and over here and over here. And that's so that like if they mess up and they need to take some out, they haven't mixed it. There's no mixing yet. But when they do that, it looks like a photograph. It's just so beautiful. So here's our spices. I'm going to read off the names of the recipes. So we have carne asada. That's a Latin culinary spice kit. Standard delicious, maybe making that, to be honest. There's larb, which is a Laotian culinary spice kit. I actually have a Laotian friend, so that's interesting. There's makhoui kebab, which is a Moroccan culinary spice kit. And then there's jerk chicken, which is obviously Jamaican. Let's go through our spice blends. So for our jerk chicken, there's There's 2 spice packets. Right here, these 2, and they include, the first one is allspice, thyme, black peppercorn, ginger, cumin, and cinnamon. Not cumin, come on, Ashley. And then the second is Scotch bonnet chili powder, which sounds really good. All right, second up, we've got the makhoui kebab. So that has 2 packets as well. If you look right here, it's these 2. And that includes cumin, the first packet, cumin, coriander, paprika, garlic, turmeric. And then the second, it actually has 3. Cumin, turmeric, and garlic. And then the third is just red chili pepper. So it's 1, 2, and then 3. And I love cumin, so that sounds delicious. This larb Laotian culinary spice kit is this just 1 packet. Interesting. So it's just this 1 packet right here, this faint colored one. And that includes, ooh, that sounds good. Lemongrass, which I love. You guys know that. Amchur, garlic, lemon peel, chili, coriander, ginger, star anise, cilantro, onion, basil, cumin, white pepper, peppercorn, cinnamon, and lemon oil. Ooh. A lot of their spices too are organic. Like there's no MSG, there's no GMO, free of monosodium glutamate, preservatives, artificial colors, flavors, and BPA. So our final is carne asada, which I would really like to know how to make it. And in that packet, we've got them right here. These 2. The first packet is tangerine peel, cumin, garlic, black pepper, and oregano. And then the second is just chipotle flakes. So that is everything that we received in our Spice Breeze subscription spice kit. I was going to say, for July. I cannot wait to make one of these. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Spice Breeze down below as well, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.